Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video on my channel. Today I want to show you the struggle of finding spaces for new castings and models. This time it's for my latest addition to the collection, the Lego Technic Ferrari FXX that I have built around a week, 1.5 ago. Until now I had it on my desk. I carried it around with me pretty much because I was in love with that model, and now it's time for it to finally find a permanent space in my showcase. However, if we take a quick look at every layer, you can see we are pretty crowded in this showcase. So yeah, I am needing to make a bit of space, but I don't know where to start, to be honest. But yeah, I guess, and I don't even know why I'm recording this, but yeah. Anyways, by the way, I need to clean up my showcase already again. I don't know if the camera catches it or not, but there is some dirt laying around again, so there's going to be a episode of how I'm cleaning this up and pretty much a walkthrough of how different and how long it takes to clean up a showcase of my size. Now, yeah, but that's for, as I said, for another video. We are now talking about we are now going to find a space for the Ferrari to go. And yeah, when I was talking right now, I actually got an idea, and I thought maybe if we remove all of these race cars and put them down here, I might have space to move up this corner of my collection up here, so that down here the Ferrari can take place on the same layer as the Koenigsegg Jesko or Jesko, whatever you call it, or name it, I guess, pronounce it, whatever. And yeah, now for the Formula 1 cars, I actually have the 5-pack, but that is stored away and I would have need to get it out, so I'm not moving them back into the 5-pack. They are going to move down here into the storage area, because I would still like to display them later on. And if I have them hidden in the 5-pack and stored away, I forget to think about them, and then they get never really shown again, which is not good, I guess, because I love these cars and I want to show them. So yeah, or maybe my showcase is too small for the amount of cars I have in my collection, so maybe I should either invest into a second one or get rid of cars, but I would probably go for the first option rather than the second one, because I only buy what I like, so getting rid of it is like stabbing myself into the back in some weird way, I guess. And yeah, anyways, let's get finally started. We are already 4 minutes into the video and I didn't do anything yet. So yeah, at first we are going to move my only super treasure hunt down here, because down here it's safe from the light, because if we go down here, you can see it's pretty dark in here, because the light that is above these cars, you can not see it really much. You can only see the cable going up there. So yeah, actually that cable goes, oh, it's that cable for this light. Alrighty, anyways, let's get them all down in one go. I need to be careful to not let them collide with each other, because I don't want to damage them in any way, shape or form. Sorry for the sounds. I don't know why I'm making sounds when I'm standing up. I'm not even old. Wait, that does sound mean. Anyways, let's go on. The last two, then this one, and I decided to get the truck down as well, so that these team transports can go up here and have the space all for themselves. But I'm moving these cars for now just down here, and I think we should start with a new line if they wouldn't keep on rolling. So we're going to continue the I'm actually trying to put them together systematically, so the Hot Wheels Formula 1 cars all together and Hot Wheels in general together, and then the Measured cars can go next to it. This Formula E 5-pack I got, I don't know, 1 or 2 years ago on a Christmas from my parents, which is really nice. So here we have them all stored away. The truck, we're gonna move here, and we have a perfect fit. Over here we even have like 5 or 6 more spaces for cars to go. Maybe I need to actually put down some cars from here, but for now I'm gonna take them out and make the space open. But I'm going to do that off cam, because otherwise I feel like the video could get too long for you guys. So I see you in a second. Okay, and here we are, fitted all of them inside this. I actually decided to park these 3 team transports or diorama sets like this. Now from the front you can actually see them pretty nicely, and from the side you can see all the cars as well, which is really nice. And I'm looking at it at a slight angle to the right anyways, so pretty good for me. Now I actually thought about it, now that after I put in the Ferrari in here, I have some space left open, and if it looks like this, I maybe can move back the Formula 1 and Formula E cars, or I am going to display some other cars as well, but I'm not sure about that just yet, so I will see how it goes. And yeah, for you now I'm going to make another quick cut, so yeah, see you in like 2 to 3 minutes for my time, or in like 10 seconds for you. Until then, let me know in the comments what you think so far of this type of content. If you enjoy seeing, I don't know if you can name it, struggles of fitting something in your, or the struggles with a showcase in general, or something in this category I guess, or anything about my showcase in general, let me know in the comments. And now I'm going to make finally the quick cut for you. See you in a second. And here we are again. I've just turned on the glyph lights so you can see it, because it got a pretty dark for me to see it. As you can see, I fitted the FXX perfectly into this, and actually this over here is almost a perfect fit with the rear wing parts. There's like 1 or 2 millimeters of open space to the glass on the top, or to the next layer. And yeah, the door, I like to have it displayed open, but I also can at any second decide to close it up. And yeah, now that I have it closed, you can actually see that I removed the hand of God steering, and I don't know if I can show this properly, but I hid it inside here. I mounted the axle with the stopper from the bottom and put the steering wheel, I guess, on top. So I fixed the axle, and it opens pretty normally as before, so you don't even see it from the outside, which is really nice. And I can display the V12, it is open as well, and we have some space open as well. So I'm probably moving the Formula 1 stuff back in here or something otherwise. Or I might leave this space open. No, wait, I have an idea. I moved this to the lower layer so you can see it. I let you guys decide on this part of the showcase. This is like the subscriber area, or maybe I make the entire layer, except the 2 Lego cars, the subscriber area, where you can comment the cars from my videos and from the storage area which you would like to see moved up there. Maybe I get it with my phone that I can make like some drone shots, I guess. I don't know. No, I don't think this will work. Where I go over like this of every car I have in the storage, and you guys let me know in the comments what car you would like to see in the storage to be removed, to be displayed. So yeah, I guess I leave this up to you guys. And with this, we're already at the end of today's video. And yeah, let me know what should go into this space. I am even open to move some of these cars up here and then make space down here where we can move stuff from here up here or up here again. So I leave all of this up to you guys. Let me know in the comments. I don't know if I can make these polls or something in the comment section. If not, I'm going to make a poll as a post on my YouTube channel where you can vote what we are going to do. And yeah, thank you so much for watching until the end. If you enjoyed, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel because it helps me out a lot. And again, nice reminder for the 5th time in 1 minute. Don't forget to comment what you would like to see here or what you would like to see next in general in terms of videos and topics I'm going to talk about. And yeah, thank you for watching until the end. I hope you enjoyed, and then I wish you a very wonderful time. Until next video, bye bye.